Hello, my dear. I'm very glad that you can see me. I would like also to see you, and I hope that you will start to study now. So let's move to our English sounds. And first, I would like you to remember which letters could give us long U or U sound. First, as you remember, it was letter U and magic E. And then it was letter U and E. And then we had double O that could give us long sound U and short sound U. Now we are going to take letter E and W, and this will give us also sound U. How? I want to tell you the story. One first time, letter W came to meet letter E. And letter W wanted to make friends with E. And letter E didn't want to make friends, and she said, U. U. Since then, when they meet together, they say sound U. U, or sometimes it can be like U. So now let's see in our program, in our Letterland program, what they will say about this sound, and we will listen to the story as usual.
Introduction.
I'm Eddie Elephant. I say eh. I'm Walter Walrus. I say w. I like to splash water. But I know he likes to splash, so I quickly squirt him with water. Oh, you.
Now let's listen to the story.
Story. Eddie and Walter are on a cruise. They like to look at the view and read the news. There is a lady in jewels being interviewed. Here comes Eddie squirting water. Walter cries out, "Ooh, you!"
As I told you before, sound U can give us two sounds, sound U and sound U. Let's move to the words. News. News. News can be TV news like BBC News, or it can be a magazine or newspaper like, for example, Daily News. Do you like to read the news? Do your parents read the news? Jewels. Jewels. Do you like to wear jewels? Cashew. Cashew. Cashew are the nuts. Do you like cashew? By the way, do you know how they grow? Look at these pictures. Looks like very interesting. Chew. Look to this sheep. It's chewing the grass. Chew. Stew.
Pink Himalayan.
Stew. When you stew something, you boil something in the pot. You cook food. Stew. Now let's see them together, and please repeat the words after me. News. Cashews. Jewels. Chew. Stew. And now I would like you to open your student books on page 41 and 42. And as usual, first you read the words news, and then you take a pencil and find and circle the word news, the picture for the word news in the story page, and then just stick the star to this word. So once you made with the first word, move to the next.